in a world where every millimeter matters, where the precision is the difference between profit and waste, the TR-1200 automatic pipe cutting machine is the solution for your industry. So this is the machine for you. With the industry level speed for pipe from 5 to 30 millimeter, and those who want to refuse to compromise the simplicity of push button, the consistent speed for your pipe cutting, this is not just a machine for you. This is your competitive edge. So now I will show you how to operate this game changer machine for your industry. Okay, come. Just set your mood here, and if you want a different language like English, we can set it for you. Okay, now start. Look at the output, the consistent speed, the accuracy of cutting. This is where the developed industry, this is where the developing of a big industry. For your industry, I think you need this machine.